To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. FSI Global Logistics Division offers cross-border solutions for large and small manufacturing firms who have an international footprint. With our wealth of experience as the global leader in fully managed shipping services, we can translate your logistical challenges into achievable and dynamic logistics solutions. Freight Services is your one-stop shop for all your global logistics needs. Established in 2002, Freight Services is headquartered in Tucson, Arizona, with branch offices in Phoenix, Arizona, and as of 2021, our first international office located in Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico. Over the past 2 decades, Freight Services has deployed a vast network of managed logistics partners and resources around the world. Trust is the key to unlocking the potential of your logistical needs that allow you to put your clients first. Having a global specialized and reliable shipping partner with Freight Services will help you meet your challenges. Our Global Logistics Division is renowned as the unrivaled expert in international logistics, making us the go-to partner to ensure your shipments are in good hands. Trust us to handle your global logistics needs with confidence. We are FSI Global, a Freight Services division.